Welcome everyone to my first video about stock market basics. This video is for beginners. Beginners have lot of questions about stock market. So I have answered some of top questions. The beginners stay away from the stock market because they don't know many of the details about stock market, and they have less opportunity to come across about those answers. So this video is to clarify some of the questions about stock market. First of all, the stock market comes under a financial market. So it is a type of market where you can borrow money without having the obligation to repay the capital and any of the interest. This is a very different market. Let us take an example. Generally, to start up a business or expand a business, businesses need money. Generally, they don't have that much money. So to expand their business, they need to borrow money from banks. But if you borrow money from banks, you have the obligation to repay the capital amount and also the interest amount. Imagine you have a credit card, you have swiped for like 10,000 rupees and the statement is generated. Tomorrow is the due date, but unfortunately today your job is lost. Imagine, so you will have some fear to repay the credit card bill, but now the credit card owner comes to you and says that no need to pay the bill, enjoy, it's your own money, no need to repay, enjoy my money. That's what the credit owner tells to you. Okay, so this is the same scenario happens in the stock market. The businesses can borrow money in the stock market without have the obligation to repay the capital and any interest. So they have no obligation. If they get some profit, then they will repay through dividends or they will give some bonus shares. This is the way they will repay. This is a very different market. You will take some money, you will take money from someone you don't know and you will use that for your business. If there is profit, you will give it back through some dividend. If there is no profit, you will not give it to back them. Nobody will control you. Nobody will actually question you, because the businesses are riskier. They are giving money to run the business and they expect something return through dividend or something. But if the businesses are not doing it, you have no need to give any money. This is the stock market.
This is from Google.
Okay. So what is in stock market for everybody? It is an opportunity for many of the investors to invest in the stock market. In return, what they can get? They can get the dividend if the company is profitable, and also the price of the company will go up if they perform very well. And also, a country cannot run without the stock market. There are lots of entities involved in running a capital market. Exchanges, clearing corporations, depositories, registrars. There are lots and lots of jobs behind the stock market. So you cannot imagine a growing country or a developed country without stock market. Stock market is the economy. So an ordinary person should not be away from the stock market. He should invest in the stock market. What do you think where the banks are investing? What do you think where the insurance companies are investing? Everybody is investing in stock market. It is new to the beginners, yes, it is new to the common man, but if you are relying upon banks, but where the banks, governments, where they are investing? They are investing in stock market. So a common man should invest in stock market to enhance their return. If you invest in property, if you invest in gold, the returns are less, but if you choose correct stocks, then the return in stock market is abnormal. So let us take an example. In stock market there is a stock. The initial worth is, let us say, 100 rupees. So they want to establish new plants at different locations. They don't have money, so they are dividing their existing company, their existing asset into 10 parts. Each part costs 10 rupees at the initial stage. After 10 years, because of the expansion, now the company worth is 10,000 rupees. So your bought price of the stock is just 10 rupees. Now it is 1,000 rupees. It's a very good profit. This is how the benefit from the stock market you can get through the price appreciation, and apart from that, if the company is profitable, they will also give you the dividends. So in the stock market, we will concentrate only on the ordinary equity share, future contracts and option contracts. Even though there are many types, our sequence of videos will concentrate only on the ordinary equity share, future contracts and option contracts, because that is where we are going to earn. Okay, I believe now you have some clarity on the stock market. So there is a stock market where the borrower issues their share and the investors buys those shares, and because of that the borrower gets the money and they invest in their companies and they are earning. Okay, fine. But there are lots of stocks. There are like thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions. There are so many stocks. How you will choose the stocks? There is a Tata Motor, for example, Apple Securities, Reliance. There are so many stocks. So which stock you will select? First of all, you need to check their balance sheet. Okay. So first of all, you need to check the balance sheet. The balance sheet shows the financial strength of the company. Okay. So let us assume my company, Tirupur Bulls Share Trading Company, I want to go to the stock market to raise capital and invest in some industries, or invest in stock market again to do some business and get some returns. Okay. So let us assume today is the day first of my company. Okay. So today there is no money as of now, and I am bringing in my money as a capital, and also I have some mutual funds. I bring that money also, and I also bring my laptop to set up this business. Okay. So that is my liability. Even though these are all my money, I am putting my money into a company. So the company, even though that is also my company, it needs to pay back to the individual. Okay. So that is, I am the owner. So even though I deposit in my company, the company should be profitable and it should return the capital to me. That's why it's a liability. Okay. So what is the asset? I will move these capital mutual funds to the bank account. Okay. So I will move my capital to the bank account so that I can transfer this money to a trading company where I can buy and sell shares. Okay. So this is my liability and this is my asset. You can view it on the video. Okay. This is on day 1. Now on day 2, I transfer my money from my bank account to my trading account. Okay, so I do better trading and I earn money within 30 days, my account is in profitable. So if you see any company like this without any liability, I have not borrowed from anybody, I brought in my own money and I have invested in stocks and I got profit. So this is an example of good balance sheet. So this is an example of good balance sheet. Okay, so when you check some balance sheet, if it is if there is an shareholders equity, there are more shareholders equity, then definitely it's a good company, because there is no liability, there is no interest obligation. So this company will go into a right path, the probability is more. I will show you one weak balance sheet. Okay, so in this balance sheet I already borrowed money from someone to start my business. Okay, so I have a liability. I have just brought in my laptop, like I have no money, so I just brought in whatever I have. So that is my shareholders equity. Even though if I profit the same amount, it will go to pay back the liability amount, that means the borrower's money. So it's no use to invest in these type of companies. So when you buy a stock in the stock market, you first open up their balance sheet and check whether they have more liability or they have more equity. If they have more equity, then you can invest in that balance sheet, I mean in that stock. Thanks for watching. This is my first video about the basics, and in the next videos I will concentrate only on the ordinary equity shares, future contracts and option contracts. That is where I am earning, and that is where I want to inform you about how you can earn from those instruments. Okay, thank you very much for watching.